Hi friends, I came on the very important opportunity, and this is a government job opportunity from the CEL, that is Central Electronics Limited, Mini Ratna Prizes, and this is come under Ministry of Science and Technology. So they are inviting the application from the Indian National, and date of publishing is 10 Feb and last date to apply is 3 March 2026. So let me talk about detail that for what role they are hiring. So this is a government of India enterprise under department, and they are hiring for the various role, both fresher as well as experience. So first important role, that is for deputy general manager and electrical and electronic department. If you are from there, then this is the important, and you should have minimum 16 year or post qualification experience. So this is for experience, and other are also for experience, but they are also hiring freshers, means 2025 pass out batch can apply, and this is one of the wonderful opportunity everyone should apply. Okay, so this is the important role, that is a graduate engineer trainee metallurgy, and this is the number of seats. So candidates should have BTech degree in metallurgy. So if you have done metallurgy with 755% marks, then you are eligible for this. Also for electronics department they are hiring, and for mechanical department they are hiring. So if you have done BTech in all these branches, then you are eligible for this. Besides that's computer science, and you should have 55% from the recognized university. Also they are hiring from the finance, means if you have done MBA and have some experience, then you are all eligible for these all roles. So talking a little bit more about this role, so this will be your pay scales and all things. Okay, for graduating in trainee, pay scale for first year will be 40,000 per month, and maximum age limit that is 27 year, and post that means in second year you will get 45,000. So these are the important opportunity everyone should apply, either from the BTech or MTech background, then you are eligible for this. And application fee is 1,000. Okay, and no application fee will be there for SC, ST, PWD, ex servicemen means persons, and separate application need to be filled if you want to fill for more than one position. मीन्स अगर आप एक से ज़्यादा पोजीशन के पास अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, मीन्स एक से ज़्यादा रोल के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, देन आपको सेपरेट सबमिशन करना होगा, एंड यू हैव टू पे 1,000 फॉर ऑल दैट थिंग्स. So what will be the selection process? First there will be written examination, and that might be computer based or paper based, that has not been decided yet, and followed by document verification and personal interview. Okay, remember friend, personal interview is mandatory and you have to prepare for the interview. So if you want to schedule mock interview for any company, means if you are selected for any company and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can also fill our Google form. And further medical examination will be there post, means further there will be joining. So what is the questions pattern and question level? So written exam duration will be 2 hour, एंड क्वेश्चन पेपर विल कंसिस्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट पार्ट. तो पार्ट वन जो होगा आपका डोमेन नॉलेज, मीन्स अगर CS से हैं तो CS का पूछा जाएगा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से है तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, मेटलर्जी से है तो मेटलर्जी, and that will be of 60 questions. Part 2 will be aptitude test, and that will be 40 questions, and aptitude test comprises of question related to general English, reasoning, and quantitative aptitude and general awareness. So total 100 question will be there, and all questions carry 1 marks. So remember the on carry means all questions will carry 1 marks, and there is also negative marking of 1 by 4. So you should go through complete jobs role and descriptions and before applying, and this will be your personal interview things. Okay, so if you know any candidates and if you want to secure a government job, then you can share this job link with them. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I will very happy to help you. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.